Okay, this is my CreativeWork1. Go ahead and execute Flutter run. For my creative work, I explored a couple of new widgets, mainly the gesture detector and fade-in images. For the gesture detector, Flutter includes a stateless widget for detecting input types on the screen, like tapping, double tapping, dragging, etc. So I've made a little demo for that. So if you tap, I'll show you that you've tapped once, you can tap again to return. Double tap, you can detect a horizontal drag and a vertical drag and a long press. And for the second part, I explored fade-in images. Fade-in images can be useful when you have a lot of images on a page from the network and you want to put something on there while they load in. So as you can see, this large image loads in after the original placeholder in the assets. And you can also set the animation time and style. And I think that's it. Thank you.